Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this presentation, we will explain the concept of variable in Python. What do you mean by variable? How it is different from any other programming language. So without any further delay, let's get started. Variable is a name attached to a value which can be changed and is used later in the code. Variable has some name which has some value. We can change the value variable lifetime of a program. We do not need to define declaration in variables. Value variable can be changed. Let's understand with the help of example. Open your command prompt. Let's do one example. I am typing here x equal to 10. X is variable name which has assigned value 10. Next, y equal to 10 means y has another variable name which has assigned a value 10. Now I am doing addition here. X plus y. We will get answer 20. It means we can use variable name instead of using value. I am not defining here value. I am directly using variable name and we will get the answer. If I want to change the value of variable, suppose I am typing here x equal to 20. Now I have changed the value variable. Now I am doing addition here, x plus y. Then we will get the answer 30. So it is clear from definition that we can change the value variable. There is no need of declaration. Variable is a name attached to value which can be changed and used later in the code. If I am comparing with other programming language, if I am talking about C, C++, Java, we need to specify in advance and the variable can store only that type of value during its lifetime. If I am declaring here integer x semicolon, we need to add semicolon after an is statement and we need to define data type here. It can store only integer value. It can't store floating point value. If I want to store floating point value, the floating point will be truncated, only integer part will be stored. So these type of languages are static type languages. On the contrary, if I am talking about Python programming language, we do not need to specify in advance. It can store any type of value, like it can store integer value as well as it can store floating point value. So in Python we have also got dynamic programming language. So I hope this concept is clear to you. We have studied the definition of variable. We have studied the difference between other programming language and Python programming language. In next presentation we will study some rules to define variables in Python. This is it for now. Thanks for watching.